What if I told you that one Pinterest account can bring you hundreds of clicks every single day without posting manually? In today's part 6, I'll show you how to scale everything. You'll learn how to create more content in less time. Use Claude AI to generate unlimited ideas, automate your workflow, and build multiple income streams from one Pinterest account. If you've watched parts 1 through 5, this is where everything starts coming together. Let's begin. Welcome back to Global Income Hub. If you're new here, this series teaches beginners how to build passive income with Pinterest affiliate marketing using Claude AI. No website. No paid ads. No experience required. Today we're focusing on scaling. Section 1, Why most people stay stuck. Most beginners make one big mistake. They create 5 pins. Wait 1 week. See no results, and quit. Pinterest doesn't work like TikTok. Pinterest is a search engine. Every pin is another opportunity to appear in search results. The more quality pins you publish, the more chances you have to receive clicks every day. Think about this. 100 pins are working harder than 10 pins. 500 pins work even harder. The goal isn't viral content. The goal is consistent content. Section 2, Use Claude AI to create pin ideas, 3 to 5 o'clock. Instead of thinking of ideas yourself, let Claude AI do the work. Example prompt. Generate 100 Pinterest pin ideas about budgeting, investing, side hustles, online income and passive income. Include emotional headlines that encourage clicks. Claude can instantly generate. Save money faster. Best passive income apps. AI side hustles. Affiliate marketing tips. Work from home ideas. Money habits. Digital products. Budget planner. Investment tips. Financial freedom. Now you never run out of content. Ask Claude to create titles, descriptions, keywords, call to actions in one prompt. Section 3, Create content in batches. Don't create one pin today and another tomorrow. Instead, create 50 or even 100 pins in one sitting. Example workflow. Monday. Claude creates 100 titles, 100 descriptions, 100 keywords. Tuesday. Canva creates 100 pin designs. Wednesday. Upload and schedule everything. Now your entire month is finished. Batch creation saves hours every week. Section 4, Use multiple affiliate programs. Don't depend on one affiliate network. Promote different categories. Examples. AI tools. Canva templates. Finance apps. Courses. Web hosting. Email marketing tools. VPN services. Productivity software. When one product slows down, another continuous earning. Multiple income streams mean more stability. Section 5, Understand Pinterest analytics. Pinterest tells you everything. Watch these numbers. Impressions. Outbound clicks. Saves. Top performing pins. Monthly views. If one topic performs well, make 10 more pins about it. If another gets no clicks, stop wasting time. Data tells you exactly what your audience wants. Section 6, Scale to multiple niches. After your first niche works, don't stop. Create another Pinterest account. Examples. AI tools. Fitness. Recipes. Travel. Home decor. Personal finance. Education. Beauty. Digital products. Each niche becomes another source of affiliate income. Some creators manage several Pinterest accounts. That means multiple traffic sources and multiple opportunities to earn. Section 7, Daily Routine. Here's a simple routine. Morning. Use Claude AI for new ideas. Create 10 to 20 titles. Afternoon. Design pins in Canva. Evening. Schedule them on Pinterest. Check analytics for 5 minutes. Repeat consistently. Small daily actions add up over time. You've now completed part 6 of this Pinterest affiliate marketing series. By now, you know how to find profitable niches. Use Claude AI to generate content. Design Pinterest pins. Add affiliate links. Optimize SEO. Schedule content. Analyze performance. Scale your business. Remember, Pinterest rewards consistency, not overnight success. Keep publishing valuable pins, refine what works, and let your content compound over time. If you enjoyed this video, like it. Subscribe to Global Income Hub. And turn on notifications so you don't miss part 7, where I'll show you advanced Pinterest strategies to grow faster and avoid common mistakes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.